Menai Project has enabled us to support 14 community groups, empowered communities to take action, and it's helped people improve where they live, both for people and for wildlife.
So this is the Brindy allotments. We're based at Brindy on Anglesey. We've currently got 16 plots. We're starting to expand slightly. We're starting to increase what we can offer people. So in terms of the Menter and the grant that we've got, it's provided us with a tremendous boost. We've sort of done the entrance, we've managed to get a shed. I don't think we would have been able to do that without Menai's support.
We've supported a diversity of projects. Some have been quite rural, like Llanfaelog Village Hall near Rosnaiga, where we've helped them to do some planting around in the green space around the village hall. And the other is Maestryfan Community Group, where we've seen great progress in creating a community garden right in the centre of Bangor.
The Menai Project has been marvellous in letting us improve the garden to Gogledd Village Hall by funding the planting and the structures. It's improved the site enormously, and everyone who uses the hall gets the benefit. The WI, for example, last week had a green picnic out here, and tomorrow there's going to be a wedding.
Dyn ni wedi bod yn cydweithio efo gwirfoddolwyr lleol I ddyblygu 2 ardd gymunedol, yr ardd cyntaf yw gardd Wyllt Penygroes, a wedyn yr ardd arall yw gardd Eden sydd tu ôl I fi fyma. Mae'r cymorth wedi'n galluogi ni I prynu offer fel gwellau tyfu, offer garthio. Yr cyllid hefyd wedi helpu ni I gwella hygyrchedd i'r gerddi cymunedol trwy gosod tali a gosod llwybrau a pontydd.
On behalf of Ynys Môn, I can say that we're delighted to have supported 14 community projects through the Menai funding. Over the course of 2 years, we've managed to improve 14 community green spaces and improve those green spaces for communities, both for people to enjoy and for wildlife.